Guys, Matthew here. Welcome to a different style of video. Today we are building my new PC. So now this took forever to set up. I don't even know how it's going to look for you guys. I don't know how the audio sounds because I don't have another external device to hook up to me, and right now I don't really have a PC to use for this, but we are building my new build. Now, the only thing that I'm missing from this setup is my graphics card. I am using a 1060 from my old build because the 3080 that I want to purchase is not available, and 3080 is not available at all. Here's my specs list of this build. Let me know what you guys think of it, what I can improve on, I guess. And yeah, it's pretty much going to be like a montage of me building it. This is for episode 1 of improving my setup. I have a lot of episodes coming for it. And yeah, I guess we should just get into it. So it's probably going to be montage style. I'm not going to go too fancy with it, you know. I just wanted to have a video of me building my computer. And this looks sick right now, the way it's set up. It looks really good. So let me just get building. We'll have a nice montage of it, and yeah.
Dynamite, drop.
Okay guys, many hours later, we are back. Let's see if this works. I saw a blue light. This isn't working. Okay guys, it's the next day. I finally finished the computer build. It looks weird on camera, but it looks really good IRL. Let me do a peel for you guys. I guess we'll start here since it's begging for it. Oh, it's under the glass. Well, there you go. The build is done. I can't show you the screen fully. I can do that because it's for a different video. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and BBG out.